Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to teach you a landscape painting with oil pastel. Here I am using the Persian blue and it's a darker tone of the blue color. After that the medium tone, the color name is brilliant blue. First you have to apply on the top of that Persian blue, after that come down. Okay, now the sky blue I'll apply from the top and then down this manner. After that take a tissue paper, fold it this manner. Now take the turpentine oil and bit off and then start from the down. Where is the white color I have applied over there? Start from the down means that from the lighter tone to darker tone you have to blend it. Now again down portion I will start from the lighter tone, which is the sky blue, then brilliant blue, apply top of the sky blue, after that go up, then Persian blue, same manner, complete, and again take the tissue paper, turpentine oil, and then start from the upper portion and blend down this. So your sky and water part is completed. Now here I am using the yellow ochre and just create a triangle shape over there. Same manner, just take the same distance and draw one more triangle in the down part and fill it with the same color. Now take yellow gray, and here I am using the dome's color. If you are using any other color, should take the darker tone of the yellow ochre. Now here is the sap green, which is the darker tone of the green. Apply same manner, just fill it up. After this I will use the black and same manner you have to fill this triangle. Now with your finger slightly blend that. Take a toothpick and just create some hatching strokes over there to create some trees or something, grasses kind of. There should be little bit of gap. It should not be totally wipe out the color. It should be slightly scratching with the toothpick, small hatching. And similarly I am doing here in the down part, but it is the opposite direction, like upper portion down to up and down portion up to down. Now here I am using the sap green again and draw the line. Just connect that line, slightly add more color. Now I am going to use the black again, top of that green. Now I am creating the clouds. So take a white color and just little bit press your color and do the circular strokes overlapping and create your cloud shapes. Now with your clean finger, just down portion do the circular stroke so that the cloud, means the blue and white color, will mix with each other and it will give you the cloud shape properly. Do the same thing for the rest of the clouds. Now I'm going to take here I'm using the acrylic color because I don't have that correction pen or the whitener. If you have the whitener, you can use whitener, and similar manner you have to do. Here I am using the acrylic color. Either you can use acrylic or the whitener. So just add few dots, you just apply with that, and with your finger you have to smudge and just apply on the top of the cloud, which is the peak point of the clouds. This manner you have to add bit white color on the top of the peak. Then take the gray color and just create some darker tone wherever you have added the lighter peak portion to give the value of this cloud. Okay, now you just use your finger. I'm using the index finger so that you can get the proper pressing, and just press it down in this manner to create the reflection. Completed. Okay, now use your white color and just draw a straight line, then small slipping lines top of that. Here little bit of white I will add with left right strokes. Remember, here should be left right stroke. It's a reflection of the clouds also. And with your finger, no pressure, only just smudge the portion this manner. After completion of this white color, you have to take the medium blue, which is the brilliant blue, and add bit of darker tone underneath of this white color. Again smudging with the finger, slightly blend it. That's okay. Now we are going to create the down portion. Now sap green I am using here. Do the hatching strokes down to up. It may be it's not that that you have to do the down to up only straight. You can make this slanting, curving, anything, and create the hatching strokes with the sap green. Now I am using the light green, and do the same strokes top of the sap green. Okay, now I am going to use black slightly in the down portions. Few of the strokes will do with the black to create the shadow or the inner portion of the grasses or the trees, anything, any kind of, like the tulip or grass or any kind of flower which is a standing type of, this type of stem type of, you can create anything. This is how I am doing here. Now I am taking the red color, it's a primary red, apply dotting top of this line, grass lines. Then I am going to use medium yellow and do the same thing top of that, so that it will create some white yellow flower and red flowers, kind of small flowers. And this is the white color again. Do the same to highlight the flowers, and some of the white flowers also you can create with these things. So now it's done. Few of birds in the sky here with the black oil pastel. Now just time to remove the tape. When you remove the tape, all slanting manner like this you have to remove, otherwise your paper can be damaged. So always remember, you have to hold like this in a slanting manner, remove the tape. See here. If you like this video, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe for more this kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching.